It's Rob from Tesla Owners US, and today we're gonna fix a little fender bender. Maybe I can show you some pictures from that, from wife's car, the Model S. It's got a little bit ripped off and it needs to be repaired after that intro.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So that is the little fender bender, so I just taped it so that it doesn't rip off and it actually keeps there. And it got really ripped off under a concrete barrier, and my wife didn't notice that, and then when she pulled back, it had hooked up under the concrete bender, and then it took the front bumper a little bit off, and that's what we try to repair. Okay, we are here now at my favorite mechanic and repair person. That's JJ. He can fix everything. Now I can fix, I hope, that bumper as well. And basically it's got ripped off here, as you can see, and sure on the lower portion of that as well. We can throw something under. Oh, it's all the way scratched up, and in here it's probably get ripped off. And JJ is checking his parts bucket. We can find something. And in here there's a little screw. Always hold something over the bumper, and that has been ripped off as well. So we try to get it provisional repaired. Let me say it like that. I got it provisional repaired with duct tape, but that was not provisional. So, but now we need to get that somehow repaired so that it holds a little bit longer and holds underneath here as well. So, and JJ is checking some parts here in the background. Okay, let's see how it evolves in a couple of minutes. We got a little progress here. That needs to be straight again and matched up. The wrong screws were in there as well. The wrong underlaying plate. It's gonna be fixed that as well. Okay, that seems to be all repaired now. So with one piece broke off from the bumper, that right?
Yeah, one tab.
We cannot repair that one. This is now back in here nicely, and I think this will do it. And then the clips are in there as well. Yeah, that should hold. Good. All repaired. And thanks. Thank you for my favorite technician. All right, see you next time, and thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.